Okay, that is a dog in the car.
There's two of them.
Two dogs in the car that's being towed by this U-Haul truck. I guess that's a good way to move across the country. Dogs can have the comfort of the car all to themselves. First order of business, we're at Jiffy Lube. Getting an oil change right quick. Okay, and just like that, we're out of here.
Thank you, too.
That was like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Okay, next order of business, we're gonna run over to Ross, and I'm gonna see if I can find some gray flannel cologne. See if they have any of that in yet. I have not seen it in there in a long time. It used to be a staple in there. And then me and the driver formerly known as James are gonna go over to Newberry today and try a pizza over there. Yeah, let's get gas. All right, guys, we'll see you over at Ross. All right, so I did find my gray flannel at Ross, which is nice. And if anyone's interested, it is $11.99 at Ross. And the driver formerly known as James got Guess Red Seductive. Driver formerly known as James is going to be Seductive. All right, so we're going to open these up. Oh, and the Seductive was also $11.99. Good value there at Ross. So we're going to open these up and try them real quick. Okay, so the driver formerly known as James is going to spritz on a little bit of this Guess perfume.
It smells good.
Let me get a whiff.
Yummy.
That does smell good. A pretty little bottle. You know, it's a cheap thrill. You go in, you blind buy a fragrance, and you know, is it going to stink or is it going to be awesome?
Are you going to smell like a skunk or are you going to smell like a flower?
There you go.
And I smell like a flower today.
So, driver formerly known as James won the fragrance lottery today on that blind buy. Guess Red Seductive. You would recommend?
Yep.
It does smell good though.
It does. It smells real good.
Yep. This used to be my favorite cologne ever. I haven't had any in a while. The driver formerly known as James, I don't think has ever smelt it, so she is going to tell you what she thinks of Jeffrey Bean. I already like it. Jeffrey Bean gray flannel. And we'll just pull that out of there. It's a different color than I remember it back in the day. But like I said, I haven't had it in a while, so I do like how the bottle looks like a little wine bottle. All right, let me spritz some of this on me and see what the driver formerly known as James thinks.
Smells good.
It's about the best, in my opinion, that's the best cheap cologne that you can ever get.
It's very masculine.
I like it. And it's fairly long lasting too, so if you were ever on the fence about picking up a bottle of gray flannel, don't be.
Yeah, that smells good.
Okay, we are going to head now to Newberry. We are in Gainesville, so I guess we will see you in Newberry. We're going to try a pizza place over there and just do a little ride around Newberry, the small little town of Newberry. It is a nice little rainy day here in Newberry. We got gloomy skies ahead, but we're not going to let that stop us from checking out this neat little town. And we're looking for Villaggio's Pizza. There is a public shopping center. I do believe they have a Hitchcock's out here. Yeah, go ahead and turn in right up here at this Hitchcock's. See, check it out. I have recorded just about every Hitchcock's in the area, so we might as well get this one too. Oh goodness, they got the same guy on their van over here. Okay, so they have a Subway, an H&R Block, a laundromat, and a nail place. Very nice. And a bank and a red walk. So this is their Hitchcock's Market. Try to get that up there. Very cool. Now, I have been out here a lot, but I ain't been out here in a long time, so we're just gonna drive around and see. I don't know where this town even ends at. There's a Family Dollar over to our right. Just go back out this way. I don't know what fast food place this is.
Dairy Queen.
Oh, Dairy Queen.
And it's a gas station.
Dairy Queen and a gas station. Alright, let's go out, hang a right. And we're gonna see if we can find Villaggio's Pizza. Not to be confused with Formaggio's Pizza that we had in Ocala, which was a good pizza. Alright, let's see what we got here. There's the Dairy Queen gas station. You know you are in a small town when you combine your gas station with your Dairy Queen. This is about 10 or so miles outside of Gainesville to the west. Now, it has built up since the last time I was here. A lot of this stuff didn't used to be here. Like that Hardee's.
This is a right turn. Oops. I guess we're trying right. We're trying right.
Yeah, I think that's where that pizza place is down here.
Oh, is it down?
I think so.
To the right?
I think so. I did look on Google, and I know it's somewhere around that Circle K there. Just keep your eyes peeled for a sign that says Villaggio Pizza. It may be back the other way. I'm sure, I don't know, but we're going to show this town anyway. And we got a rainy day for the people who like the rainy day drives. I know a lot of people do. The driver formerly known as James is not a fan of it herself. But if you're watching the video, you don't have to worry about driving, so kick back, relax, and enjoy the rain. Okay, I don't think it was this far down, so we're going to turn around somewhere.
Shack.
That is the Shirt Shack, which I'm sure you can't see because of the rain. A lot of housing developments have been built out here. Little subdivisions. And we're just going to turn around somewhere. Wherever. Yeah, Newberry has definitely built up since the last time I was out this way. I guess you would call Newberry a bedroom community of Gainesville. have no idea what this is where we're turning around, but it looks something construction-y like.
It's trucking. Tidewater trucking.
Tidewater trucking. Okay, well I knew it was something like that. Yeah, none of this was out here the last time I was here, this housing development over here. And we've seen about 30 of them since we, you know, got over this area. That's called Newberry Corners, which is nice. Am I in your way? Trying to get that sign. Newberry Corners. Now I'm gonna lean back.
What the hell if you had your blinker on, dude?
Yeah, this is a fast growing little area over here for sure. I wonder what they have at the shirt shack.
Shirts.
Eh. I wonder what kind of shirts. Alright, let's try to find this pizza place. And on the way back, we're going to go through another little town called Jonesville. And we're going to film it as well. I don't know if it'll be on this video or if it'll be a separate one. But since we're out here, we might as well film it. Poor person walking in the rain there. Poor people walking in the rain. Getting drenched. Okay, I need you to use your supersonic eyes to look for Villaggio's Pizza. I wish I could show you on the camera when you do that. Yeah, gravy, what a face. It's a Woodyard Bar and Grill, it looked like.
This need to be in this lane, maybe. It looks like that lane ends.
What?
So I guess I need to be in this lane because it looks like that lane ends.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I looked at like something on Google and the Circle K.
Right there.
You see it?
Yep.
Oh, good. Well, that was painless.
We'll probably have to turn around now.
Well, it's okay. Maybe we could go down a little further and just see if there's anything else here in Newberry. Royal Cup Tea. So yeah, this should be a good one for the people that like those rainy day drives. I enjoy them myself.
I don't.
But,
I don't.
well, of course you don't. You have to drive in it. But, you know, if you could just kick back and watch a video, it's nice. It's soothing to some.
Not to me.
Let's see if we could get a little rain noise without getting my camera soaked. I think I just got it soaked. Hello. No pain, no gain, right? Well, this is a long red light.
I'll just put the one that way.
Okay, so that's Villaggio's Pizza. We're going to go down just a little bit further, U-turn, and come back to Villaggio's. Our pizza place that me and the driver formerly known as James have neither tried. Neither of us have tried it. We got a school zone, so man, these poor kids are getting drenched. And it doesn't look like there's much down this way. Okay, this is in school zone. And another begin of school zone. That is Oakview Middle School, by the way, to our left. Probably turn around anywhere. I really don't think there's anything down here. Ah, gravy.
I picked the wrong place to turn around.
We sure enough did. Yeah, this looks like another new little subdivision that's clearly marked private road, so just go ahead up here and bust a U and get out of here. They don't want unwanted visitors here in their nice neighborhood. It's a nice little neighborhood, though.
It's cute.
It is. Reminds me of houses you might see at like a beach town.
Reminds me of the houses in Edward Scissorhands.
Yeah. Those look like little beach houses to me, though. Oh, kid. What in the world?
Wow. Poor kid.
My grandma would have told me that's how you catch the death out there. Get pneumonia. Yeah, we're going to go left and then back to Villaggio's Pizza. Hopefully someone will let us out. One of these many multitudes of people. That guy's letting you.
Is he?
It looks like it. Go if you sit.
Thank you.
Sometimes people lose their patience when they go to let someone out and they don't go. Here comes the rain again, falling on my windshield like a memory. I want to try this pizza. Will you try it with me? Yeah, we got the worst of everything here. We got school zones and a rainstorm. Poor driver probably knows James is not enjoying it. He hates to drive in the rain. So.
Especially when it's this loud.
Well, it is loud, but people like that.
I mean, it hurts.
Some people find it relaxing, like me. Okay, so we're almost to Villaggio's Pizzeria. Arepa's Milko. I have no idea what that is, or if the camera was even picking it up.
The dude on the sign looks like, what's his name? Gabriel Iglesias, the guy that says, "I'm not fat, I'm fluffy."
Oh, that fella?
Yeah, fluffy. I guess that's what you call him, fluffy.
Well, it looks like there's a good little crowd here at Villaggio's, which means the pizza's good.
Or they're just desperate.
Yeah. Well, they got a Domino's over there, so.
He's got parties too.
Yeah. Okay, into Villaggio's we go. Man, it is pouring. And I'm just gonna walk in and give you a quick shot of this great pizza place. And this is the owner. You want to say hi?
Hey, how you doing?
And come on down to Villaggio.
Villaggio's here in Newberry.
Right on. Thank you. Okay, so we're out of Villaggio's Pizza, and that is a good-looking New York slice. There is a nice leoparding on the bottom, as Dave Portnoy would say. It looks really good. So let me put this in the pie hole right quick. That is good. That is good New York style pizza.
Let me try.
I'm gonna give it a 9.9. I don't think I've ever given anybody but Brooklyn Boys that. Driver formerly known as James is shaking her head.
Good.
What do you say?
Good. It's a 9.
You ready to give it a finger scale?
It's a 9.
Well, you got to put your fingers out where we can see them.
9.
Look at that, a 9 from the driver formerly known as James with 2 thumbs up. All right, guys, we recommend coming out to Villaggio's Pizza in Newberry. Definitely very good. Okay, guys, we are leaving Newberry. I was just going to show you your info for Villaggio's Pizza. It is very good New York style pizza. There is your phone number and address. Definitely recommend. And I forgot to mention that a large, beautiful New York style pizza in that place will set you back $13. So you can't beat that. All right, everybody, we're now going to go film Newberry or Jonesville. And I think we're going to put that in a separate video. So peace out, everybody.